Hello everyone, I'm Faral Imran and today I'll be telling you about how Amazon has partnered with Anthropic to enhance Alexa. So, before it used to say that Amazon used to say that it will have its own AI that will integrate with Alexa. So, what happened, why they have changed this thing, and why they have partnered with Anthropic to enhance Alexa? So let's see the reasons in this video. So stay tuned until the end so that you don't miss any information regarding it. So let's get started. So here there's a news coming that Amazon partners with Anthropic to enhance Alexa, means they would be adding Claude AI in Alexa. Now, why? What is the reason why they're adding Claude AI in Alexa and not their own AI? Because before I also made a video that Amazon would be having its own AI and that they would be adding it in Alexa. Now, what is the reason why they didn't add it? So now they say what happens now if we scroll down. So Amazon is saying that they are going to roll out the better version of Alexa, and it is expected to available this October, right before the US shopping rush. And they also internally they refer to as remarkable Alexa, or also it says Project Banyan. And they said that this Alexa would be powered by Anthropic's Claude AI models. And they say that why this shift occur? Because what happened? Because Amazon's own in-house software was underperforming, means it was not performing good at all. Even in the test, it was not able to handle queries or something like that. And one more thing that happened, that to the response what it was doing, the Amazon's in-house software, what it was lagging. So it was lagging for 6 to 7 seconds, which is nowadays, if you see, like if ChatGPT or some other things lags for 6 to 7 seconds, you won't use that stuff. So then they thought of switching it, and then they thought of using Claude AI in their Alexa. And now one more thing that they said, that this enhanced Alexa will have some like can handle some complex queries, means because it is operated using advanced generative AI. And one more thing, now this advanced Alexa won't be for free. So there's a subscription of $5 to $10 per month, while the classic version of Alexa will remain free. Because how they said Amazon is adding Claude AI in Alexa, and they said that they will charge $5 to $10 per month. And they're also claiming that this Alexa would be more better and more advanced. They're claiming that. And one more thing, that this $5 to $10 per month, this advanced Alexa would not be part of Prime subscription. And they also said that it would be worth the price tag. And one more thing, the Amazon's decision to quickly adopt the external model Claude, it indicates a strategic shift, because how Amazon typically prefers to build everything in-house to minimize its dependence on third party, thereby avoiding external influences on customer behavior and business strategies, as well as external influences on who controls data. So the Amazon's traditional strategy, it does not provide the massive AI capability needed, or perhaps Amazon has realized the need for more powerful AI. So, because they say that, it is also worth noting that the involved AI developer OpenAI is affiliated with major technology companies like Apple and Microsoft in developing AI technologies. So now this launch of the remarkable Alexa is anticipated during Amazon's annual devices and services events in September, though the company has not confirmed the exact date. And they say that they will also make the first public appearance of Panos Panay, the new head of Amazon's devices division, who has taken over from long-time executive David Lim. And they say that this updated version of Alexa would be more interactive and intuitive assistant, as the new functionality would stem from its conversational mode. So, this assistant is a vision to do more than just recognize patterns in people's speech, means it will be able to hold conversations built on previous interactions, and the most likely features it will have, it will give you some shopping advice like what type of shopping do you want to do, some news aggregation, and more advanced home automation. And as for whether customers would pay for Alexa, this likely depends on the final set of available features. Now, they say that it is kind of tricky for Amazon like because how the customers already pay for Prime membership. So they say that the future of Alexa is quite ambitious, but it also has some risk because for the new version to be successful, internal performance benchmarks must be met. While estimates for remarkable Alexa, they suggest that even a small percentage of current users paying for the premium version could become a substantial income stream for Amazon. The likelihood of achieving the expected outcomes remains uncertain. And however, Amazon's partnership with Anthropic is currently under regulatory review, largely due to an investigation by the UK's antitrust regulator and the impending upgrade announcement. And the regulator's response could significantly influence the company's future activity. Amazon's initiative to adopt an AI solution developed by the Anthropic marks a significant shift for the company, which previously focused on developing its own proprietary which previously focused on developing its own technology. And at this more point, it is possible to view this move as part of the general trend in the industry to turn to partnerships regarding AI development to enhance the competitiveness of products. And there's one more blog in which they said about Alexa how I already said that it would charge a monthly fee of $5 to $10, and it will also offer the free classic voice assistant. And they also said that according to the routers, the decision came by because after initial versions of Remarkable, Alexa using in-house software struggled to respond to prompts effectively, and how they said that they would offer more advanced features such as like carrying on conversations that is built on prior question and answers. It will also provide shopping advice, news stories, fulfill more complex requests such as ordering food or drafting emails. And additionally, also Amazon hopes that the new Alexa will serve as a home automation hub, remembering customer preferences and automating tasks like setting alarms and recording favorite TV shows. And they say that because how the company has been striving to convince users to shop through Alexa to increase revenue, but these things have largely been unsuccessful, and the division remains unprofitable because for Amazon, the Alexa it is not generating much revenue. So they want like the customers, and they're convincing users to shop through Alexa to increase revenue. And there also aims to demonstrate Alexa's revenue generating potential by 2024. And they think that this paid version could be a way to increase the revenue because the paid subscription of $5 to $10 for the advanced version. That's why this is one of the goals also to increase their revenue so that they could bring again the advanced Alexa to the market. And then if like the customers pay for it, then it could increase the revenue as the Alexa is not generating much income. Because even Bank of America analyst Justin Post, they estimated that there are approximately 100 million active users. He also predicted that 10% of these users might opt for the paid version of Alexa, potentially bringing in at least $600 million in annual sales. However, skepticism remains among Amazon workers, and the question like whether customers will be willing to pay an additional fee on top of their existing Prime membership because they are remaining skeptical because this $5 to $10 subscription of the advanced Alexa, it is not part of the existing Prime membership. It is on top of that. Means like if you're already having some Prime subscription or membership, still if you want the advanced Alexa, you need to pay an additional $5 to $10 per month. And they also said that Anthropic is currently facing a copyright infringement lawsuit, which is filed by three authors. Like they say that the company builds its AI model, including Claude, through the unauthorized use of copyright works. Because because Anthropic is actually facing some copyright lawsuit. They say that this model, like its AI models, including Claude, is milled through the unauthorized use of copyrighted work. So this lawsuit, it follows a previous legal action against Anthropic by Universal Music and two other labels who claim that the AI firm used artist songs without consent to create similar copies of the lyrics. And the lawsuit highlights the increasing challenges surrounding copyright infringement in the AI industry. So, despite these legal challenges, Amazon is pushing forward with its plan to release the new version of Alexa in October, and they've not disclosed the details of its agreements with Anthropic. So, that is all from my side. That's all I can say about Alexa. They've rated Alexa how there's a subscription and it's not part of Prime subscription. They say it will be worth the price tag, and Amazon wants to like generate more revenue. So this all I can say about that. So that is all from my side. Thank you so much.